those that are marching. It's the United States Marine Corps West Coast Composite Band from San Diego and Camp Pendleton. Rain or rain, they are here.
We've been out here for a couple of hours, and they've been standing in formation there at the start of this parade, waiting for this parade to get underway. There they are in their dress blues, going down Orange Grove.
And let me just...
United States Marine Corps.
Mounted Color Guard.
Mounted Color Guard.
California. Right behind them is going to be the Composite Band. We welcome them and thank them for starting us out here with the instruments and all this 5-mile march here. And right now it is like rain. Wow, they look great.
Composite Band, so they're stationed across Southern California. The Marines are led by Gunnery Sergeant Greg Warner. Throughout 2025, the Marines celebrated 250 years of service to our nation.
Let's listen in.